Although we have a detailed video on factor value calculation, but one of my subscriber asked to record a video on factor value calculation related to the pharma work. So here we will discuss a case study where a production manager asked from a newly joined pharmacist to calculate the quantity of ciprofloxacin HCl required to fill a suspension, and ciprofloxacin available is in the form of ciprofloxacin HCl. He asked him to just calculate the quantity of ciprofloxacin HCl which should be equivalent to the ciprofloxacin, and the statement for dry powder suspension is that mean label claim state that 125 milligram of ciprofloxacin is present in 5 ml of suspension, and we have ciprofloxacin HCl. Mean here we have to remove the HCl because here HCl have no pharmacological effect. It is only to enhance the activity of ciprofloxacin. So how we will calculate factor value for such type of active pharmaceutical ingredients? Remember one thing, HCl or salt form is not removed for all instances. We have to check first of all label claim. The link of detailed video is given in description. It will be a short video. Must watch that video for detailed understanding. So to remove the factor value, we always use a formula. The molecular weight of the active pharmaceutical ingredient with salt divided by molecular weight of active pharmaceutical ingredient without salt. In our case, we will divide molecular weight of ciprofloxacin HCl with molecular weight of ciprofloxacin mean without HCl. So you can check it from Google. Molecular weight of ciprofloxacin HCl is 337.8, and without salt its value is 331.34. The answer will be the 1.11. mean ciprofloxacin HCl factor removal value will be the 1.11. Now the newly joined pharmacist is not aware of the calculation of ciprofloxacin HCl which must be equivalent to the ciprofloxacin. So we will help him to find out the value for single suspension. If you want to learn how to calculate active pharmaceutical ingredient quantity for dry powder suspension, must watch the video. Link is given in description. So as he said, 125 milligram is present in 5 ml. So one bottle volume after reconstitution is 60 ml. We will use unit rule, mean 5 ml contain 125 milligram, 1 ml contain 125 over 5, and for 60 we have 125 over 5 into 60. The answer will be 1500 milligram. So this value is for the ciprofloxacin, but how much quantity of ciprofloxacin HCl will be equivalent to the ciprofloxacin? For this we will multiply it with the factor value which is 1.11, and when we will solve it, the answer will be the 1665 milligram, mean 1665 milligram of ciprofloxacin HCl will be equivalent to the 5000 milligram of the ciprofloxacin, because in our label claim 125 milligram is the quantity of ciprofloxacin. If you like the video, share it to other. If you have any confusion, read the article. Link is given in description. You can visit my website pharmainform.com to read more interesting articles for such learning purposes. Also visit various playlists of my channel. Share it to other. Till the next video. Allah Hafiz.